is our new entertainment center. Since the barrel is tapered and it's circular, so it's tapered this way and it's tapered this way, we gotta cut both sides. Oh man! And there's one small project Trey was not clued in about.
Did I wake you up?
That's good. I like it. We should let that